Good morning. Today is January 10th, 2018. I am Laura Lea Fossenbarger with the Community Memorial Hospital Foundation, and I'm excited to share with you some of the happenings here at the construction site of our new facility, new hospital here in Syracuse, Nebraska. So a lot of activity going on behind me and in the facility. We just had a construction meeting, and at any given time there's about 70 to 75 workers doing various activities, so a lot going on. So follow me and let's go see what's going on. As we enter into the front of the hospital, the new facility, we'll enter, and right over in this area will actually be the reception, and you can go to this person and they will instruct you where to go next. If you are here for a primary care appointment, then you will simply just wait in this waiting room here, and then they will take you on back. You see the windows at the far end, that is actually an employee break room. And then as we move on around, we actually have the health coaches here, the first office. You can see the tracks being laid there. These first two rooms will be for health coaches. And then as we move on into over here, there will be 2 rows of primary care clinic rooms. You can see activity going on there. If you come in to see a specialty clinic provider, again, you will stop here at the registration desk and then move on back here. To the specialty clinic waiting area. Just a short walk. Right in here will be the specialty clinic waiting area, and then when you are called to see the provider, you will go back into this area here for a specialty clinic exam room. You can see several of the rooms are framed there. At the far back wall are the windows of the specialty clinic provider offices, as well as towards the other end there, the windows are to the offices of the primary care provider. So having all the providers back there together will improve for continuum of care. As we continue on down the lobby past the specialty clinic waiting, we are entering the dining room now. And to our right will be where the dining room tables and chairs are. And then further back will be the serving area, as well as all of the kitchen area. Quite a bit of activity going on here. On the back far side, on the other side of the dining room area and kitchen, will be our plant operations and support services. Immediately across from the dining room area, this will be our conference room, which is where our public community outreach meetings will be held, in this room here, just directly across from the dining room. Nice big room, hold about 40 to 50 people, so we're excited to start hosting events. As we come from the plant operations and support services area, we will move into the operating room, the major operating room. You can see right now it's housing ductwork, but this is where our big operating room will be, where we will be able to do surgeries of total knee replacements, total hip replacements, and total shoulder replacements, as well as many, many other procedures and surgeries. So very excited about this. As we continue on down the surgery hallway, there will be the pre-op and post-op rooms. You can see activity going on down there. So quite an area of growth for us. This is very exciting. You'll also notice in this view the increased height of the ceilings. Ceiling height is 9 foot. The top is 16 foot, allowing us 7 foot for ductwork and wiring, which is a huge improvement from our current facility now. This is the entrance for the foot traffic for emergencies. As they come in through here, there will actually be a lobby area right here. But as an emergency patient that comes in, it will actually be coming over to this area here for registration and then be tended to as appropriately from there. This is as we look at the nurses station from the emergency area, and then as we look on down into the inpatient wing. So we'll go down there and see what's going on. And this is looking into one of the inpatient rooms. See the drywall is there to go up here soon. Nice big window in the room. And all 10 private rooms will have their own shower area with shower, toilet, sink. Be very nice. This is actually at the end of the inpatient hall, and this is where a sunroom will be now, thanks to a very generous donor that came through for that. So a sunroom will be here at the end of the inpatient unit, available to patients, family members, staff as needed, and it'll be a very nice addition to the facility. Again, as we come into the new facility, we will immediately turn to our left, or to the south. And this is our rehab area. Nice, big, large gym. Lots of equipment here. And at the far end, you'll see the 3 private rehab treatment rooms. Very excited about that. And as we continue on in, we'll see more of the gym area for our patients to rehab. A lot of room, very exciting. This is looking back at the entry of the new facility. You can see up above the 1.5 stories of the natural light. Very nice.